Nous parlons de deux ans avec Evanigba TVZ. Tuesday, so roughly 4 or 5 days to Christmas. Le studio, gentleman a de la fia, le cacoy a de la fia. Et bien, beaucoup de sports, allo, pour le Volta. Aka fimia izi anyi to number Christian na diabalo service tinye nkonye akpere hu a Nuselins ebe English dictionary nye ameoke allo company oke le wona yoda sika fimi va mi apamoji ta akpere na mi time jagba mi a follow program afisa fi kemi do kwa yo kata mi ado zireka. Okay, salon oizon va Evanigba TVZ. Alake, mais n'y a pas de phone à bord. Alake, elle me n'a pas. Elle me pas. Non, faut bien aller. La carrière est pour na bord. T'as la billet non banane na phone. Striker moi, il me phone number 9. A phone number 9. La carrière est non na au bord dans le parc GFX si bon pour fuga. Oh, football, everybody knows me. I'm phone à bord every day. I'm aussi à moi bon phone à bord. Oh, okay. Okay, d'accord le football pour le ball pour nyao le Volta fia de alaka ukol na tia glonya de ko de ball pour nyao le Volta no go katan allo yes alaka ukol Volta since my Volta regional football mako youth that they are interested na no ball like I make a push I organize gala and now the view already are made up on a ball and the different levels are the camera around. I cannot pull out they are showing interest low talent I can't make a comedy apollo and never make a push allow me a pedon to a fimatia afumko akko afima via if ever I feel like one of our push allow me born ever pushing and you were my daddy that cover talent pour na bola et peu quoi que I will Makala this particular team I improving my talents I can't make it around the that no we improve they are still at the particular place we started with a carriage me told me like back my fee before I make a push me allow make a supports me in terms of what we carriage you like a of course me because kafia marina pere mi anwa edzibe yakpobe nkemi ntomi woma manyebe mi anu anyi adasi atama yi park ji kwa troko ya ma gona ni oga ba amana po seriousness adala mi afia onia na no na normally ma afia omi wana mi to me organize na gala among us a mission na organize na gala kuna matches akeko bene nyebe matches makata ko amade ko ya polo ngola ke gawi rover. Okay, le match makata pour ma mina le coach so le manager so allo just team ada ko ina team ada ko you to ada ko amade kameli fi abenye coach. Okay, tano nyane na mahade mi ti dunaji allo ba duna mi je ko mi trump on abana na pama. Oh, sometimes we dunaji sometimes I hear amade coach aba bo wale kamade kameli ota mi apuna our best ba result I can be general me result. Okay. Tandame me ma bia because I'm all me akon le Evanigba TVZ. Me ma bia susuka enye susua le open popoti no ye meti le coach allo manager okomo nye ba mi nto me me ha no wo. Ba to nye be boys sola me organize na nyado kipo na ball. Tani ba ma deva ikeji bia bala because we organize na do kipo tana wa me show na respect to. Okay. I'm doing emotional respect because a galon to she we are gala jona ga on it that amada ba be akolo mi kanya ba when amada ke karaka amada le society mo bi akolo mula of na ba you to gala yo she one with that buga need na that kind of buga show na respect ne amada ko fefia ba le clear no nya ba fefia mi ga nya na amada ko nya ba gala mi asi yo go ba respect me la fi amada ko di mi akpada make my respect na madako amada ni bakariba madaka ready dia akpada about respect ala nebe amadeli ike atia aduti magogo this is what I want, this is the money a guy that's nyama ko collect ma bakariba amwaga washo respect na madem disrespect show la what ya nyele team because amadu ya showing the potential boy ya wo ake mo pa madaka apolo mo da
because our Galatian no to 50 Ghana is able to contribute 70 Ghana. That ne be a Yamama Machama, Magati 70 Ghana. I can be more than that. Yes, that would be better. Okay,
in the nutshell, if you respect man of man, open performer, a manager, coach, nanoi, a guide a myself by Bison because I know. Okay, okay. Tell open before I'll open Popotino. Okay, here the Poba, you hear na concafiti man at throw above back. Okay, near me up a cookie.
Oh, lenye popo chimula ikeme yana pa kunyebe ameke avahotima alo ameke acha relate the boys so to am. Oh boys, let's organize ourselves while respecting. That is the first priority. Respect. Ameke bubule enjile to the society. I'm a lot about the ike bubule enji boys while respecting, because never about this particular area la boys get them more respect now. Get them more respect now. Yes. Okay,
akwana. Nukola akwana mi. Nyapa wana mawunu. Miga bona jiga. Ta mijagbagba. Dem yano mi follow. Azonha akwana Nuselins ever English dictionary. Ala bana wonya me okele wana rasi kafimiva nyapa moji. Azonha to your number Christian adiabalo service nye nkonye. Ta akwana mi.